All right, guys, we're going to be filling out the hour by hour detail sheet. For this example, let's go ahead and use Work Center 1333, which is the TSM. In this case, it's going to be the 775. For our part number today, we're going to be looking at 86678F. It's a flat for the MP48669. On the machine counter portion of it, when you start your day, there's a counter on the machine and it's got a starting number on it. It's our machine counter. Let's say for this example, it's 100,000. At the end of that hour, go back to the same counter location where you got this number and plug in the new number. For this example, let's use 101500. To get our total number, it's 101,500 minus 100,000. That equals 1,500. So that's the Work Center piece of it that we need to get. Quality piece of it, the production run. We had a production run, the actual run was 1,500. That's how many cycles the machine went through. It should have produced 1,500 parts. Of those 1,500 parts, you could have had some bad ones or the cycle may have been wrong. So let's say, for example, we had 50 bad pieces. So how do you get your good part number? 1,500 minus 50 equals 1,450. So it comes to our first score, which is our quality score. And to get the percentage of that, it's basically 1,450, which is this number right here, divided by 1,500. When you divide it, you're going to get a number. It's going to be 0.96666. It's going to end in a 7. So for our quality score, we've got 97% if you convert that over to percentage from the decimal. Our delivery, we have planned production of 60 minutes per hour. There are things that can stop your planned production: your changeover, setup, material issue, equipment issue, labor issue, or lunch and break. So let's say for this example, we had 10 minutes worth of time for setup. We had 5 minutes for time on a material issue. So you take 60 minus this stop time, which is 10 plus 15, or excuse me, 10 plus 5, which equals 15. So this 15 minutes is what you actually had stopped. So 60 minus 15 equals 45. So what's my delivery percentage? It's simply 45 divided by 60. If you divide that with your calculator, you're going to get 0.75. So you've got 75% delivery. These are things that we can get better on. If you see a low number, it kind of scares you being low. Don't think of it as a low number, think of it as an opportunity. Let's look at our target run. This machine, the 775, is capable of running 1,800 pieces an hour. So let's put in 1,800 right here. Our ideal cycle time is basically 60 minutes divided by 1,800. If you plug that into your calculator, it's going to equal 0.33, excuse me, it's going to be equal 0.0333. And it's going to go on for good. So 0.033. So our good parts is right back here, 1,450. If you multiply 0.033 times 1,450, it's going to equal 48.33. What's interesting about this 0.0333 is a fraction of a minute that each part has to go through. So this actually equals 48.33 minutes if you multiply it times the 1,450 good parts. If you divide that number by 60, you're going to get your productivity score. And in this case, it becomes if you divide 48.33 divided by 60, it's going to be 0.8055. So guess what? This is 81%. To get our OEE score, simply multiplying your quality times your delivery times your productivity. If you convert this over to a decimal, it may be easier for you, or make sure you use a percentage key on your calculator. You're not going to get this number right. But multiplying 75% times, 97% times 75% times 81%, guess what it equals? 58%. So 58 sounds like a low number. Well, let's look down here on what the expectation is. Perfect is 100%. Nobody's perfect. World class, that's what everybody strives to be right now. 85% is the score they're looking for. We're sitting right here at 58. Hey, we're not typical. We're not low. We've got a great opportunity to improve our process according to this. Let's go ahead and continue to track these numbers and see how good we can get and what opportunities present themselves. Thank you.